Today we are diving deep into the world of YouTube Shorts and how businesses can harness its power to go viral. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide to help your business crush it on YouTube Shorts. 1. Your video needs to grab attention from the very first frame, whether it's a shocking
I
reveal.
recently did a surprise tour at Cardone Enterprises and I was quite shocked at what I saw. Is what they say about Grant Cardone really true?
A hilarious punchline,
I'm always happy when people stick their nose in my business.
or even behind the scenes.
What really happens behind the scenes of a small business?
Make sure it's something your audience can't resist watching till the end. Think outside the box and experiment with different storytelling techniques. The more unique and engaging your content is, the more likely it is to go viral. 2. Remember, shorts are designed to be consumed on mobile devices, so make sure your videos are optimized for vertical viewing. This means shooting in portrait mode and maximizing screen space. Vertical videos are more immersive and tend to perform better on platforms like YouTube Shorts, so embrace the vertical revolution. 3. Keep your videos short and sweet, aiming for under 40 seconds. Every second counts, so make sure your content is packed with value and leaves a lasting impression. And don't forget the shareability factor. Create content that viewers can't resist sharing with their friends and followers. Whether it's a funny meme or a heartwarming story, aim to evoke emotion and encourage engagement. 4. Stay on top of the latest trends and challenges happening on YouTube Shorts. By tapping into trending topics, you can increase your chances of getting discovered by a wider audience. But remember, it's not enough to just follow the trends. Put your own spin on them and showcase your brand's personality. This will help you stand out from the crowd and attract more attention to your videos. 5. Don't let your viewers slip away without a clear call to action. Whether it's asking them to like, comment, share, or subscribe to your channel, guide them towards taking the next step. Encourage engagement and build a community around your content. The more interaction you have with the audience, the more likely they are to become loyal fans and advocates of your brand. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to going viral with YouTube Shorts. Follow these steps, get creative, and watch your business soar to new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on dominating the digital landscape. Now check out this video on how any business can boost its SEO and rank 1 on Google. I'll see you there. Bye.